Let me make this very passionate appeal to all our esteemed viewers and subscribers. BVI Channel 1 needs an urgent bus for our mobility. This car is no longer serving. And this year, we need to cover a lot. And we need effective mobility, just like this bus, a Sienna bus car. We are looking at between 3 to 4 million naira to secure this bus. And we depend on your contribution and donation. Please donate through the account you're seeing on the screen, or you call the following numbers that is also on display: 0810 4545 533, or you call 0810 420 7522. We look forward for your donation to help us serve you better. Yeah, wonderful people, viewers and subscribers. This one is just going to be very short. You know, here we celebrate goodness and we expose impunity. If you do good, we applaud you. If you do bad, yes, what am I talking about? Emenike, the footballer, I appreciate what he did. He did something that what's you saying. Oh yeah, make we go and see what he did.
Hospitale Emenike, Adams Hospital. At least when I may be one biane treat him without a jugo na mego. Whereby no. Na upper echelon. One get away go. 2021 president.
Wow, I love this. This is one thing about Igbo. Whenever they make it, they remember home. They remember to add value back to their society. May God bless you. May God bless your career. And those who will tap into this, may God bless them too. Bring back your wealth. Affect your society. It doesn't matter how big or how rich you are. The little you have, let others around you share from it. I'm signing out. Thank you for watching. I believe this video has inspired you. This is me, Associate Peters, on Aso's blog. Keep sharing, keep liking, keep bringing it hot. On my channel, BVI Channel 1, that's where we shun it out hot. Yeah? On Aso's blog, I bring you lifestyle, fitness, and relationship. So you can subscribe to that also. So meanwhile, while our main account, BVI Channel 1, is under suspension, we publish on BVI Entertainment Channel. Please continue watching, continue subscribing, and we'll continue informing you better. I'm signing out. Stay safe.